Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at TradingCup. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Copy trading is an innovative investment strategy that allows individuals to automatically replicate the trades of experienced and successful traders. This method leverages the expertise of seasoned traders, enabling less experienced investors to benefit from their knowledge and strategies without needing to actively manage their trades. By copying the trading actions of top performers, investors can potentially achieve better results while gaining insights into effective trading techniques. On the TradingCup platform, copy trading is seamlessly integrated to provide users with a streamlined and efficient way to participate in the financial markets. Participants can select from a roster of top traders, each with verified performance records and transparent trading histories. This ensures that users have access to reliable and credible trading strategies, enhancing their chances of success. The platform's advanced technology facilitates real-time execution of trades, ensuring that users' portfolios mirror the actions of traders they follow with precision. This approach democratizes access to high-level trading expertise, making it accessible to a broader audience. Whether new to trading or looking to diversify their investment strategies, users of TradingCup can leverage copy trading to enhance their market participation and achieve their financial goals. On the TradingCup platform, copy trading is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, allowing users to gain access to professional-level trading strategies, making sophisticated trading techniques accessible to both novice and seasoned investors. Through copy trading, TradingCup empowers users to enhance their market participation, diversify their investment strategies, and achieve their goals with greater confidence and ease. TradingCup is brought to you by ACY Securities, a globally renowned multi-asset CFD broker committed to delivering innovative trading solutions. With a rich history spanning 13 years, ACY Securities has established itself as a trusted partner for traders seeking a secure and advanced trading environment. The company offers a comprehensive range of financial products, including Forex, commodities, indices, ETFs, shares, futures, and cryptocurrencies, supported by cutting-edge technology and unparalleled customer service. Signal providers featured on TradingCup are seasoned traders who offer valuable insights and trading signals to help other traders make informed investment decisions. These providers utilize their expertise and market analysis to generate signals that indicate potential entry and exit points for various financial instruments. By subscribing to signal providers, traders can access actionable trading ideas and strategies, enhancing their trading experience and increasing their chances of success in the markets. TradingCup's signal providers offer a valuable resource for traders seeking to improve their trading performance. Individuals can showcase their trading expertise and offer valuable insights to fellow traders. By sharing their trading signals, strategies, and analysis, signal providers can attract followers who seek to benefit from their expertise and knowledge. In order to become a signal provider, users can sign up on the TradingCup platform and create a profile detailing their trading background, performance history, and preferred trading instruments. Once approved, they can begin sharing their signals with the TradingCup community, gaining recognition and followers as they demonstrate their trading prowess. With TradingCup's transparent and performance-focused approach, signal providers have the opportunity to establish themselves as trusted sources of trading advice and earn recognition within the trading community. Becoming a signal provider with TradingCup offers numerous benefits for experienced traders looking to share their expertise with others. By offering trading signals on the platform, signal providers gain exposure to a global audience of traders seeking valuable insights and strategies. This increased visibility can lead to recognition within the trading community and establish the provider as a trusted authority in the field. Additionally, signal providers have the opportunity to earn income through subscriptions from followers who wish to access their signals and analysis. This creates a lucrative revenue stream while also incentivizing providers to maintain high-quality signals and performance. Furthermore, being a signal provider allows traders to hone their own skills by articulating their trading strategies and analyzing market trends in depth. This process of sharing knowledge can deepen the provider's understanding of the markets and refine their trading approach over time. Overall, becoming a signal provider with TradingCup not only enables traders to share their expertise and contribute to the community, but also presents opportunities for recognition, passive income generation, and personal growth. In order to become a signal copier or copy trader with TradingCup, individuals can easily access the platform and browse through a diverse selection of experienced signal providers. After finding a provider whose trading style and performance aligns with their goals, users can subscribe to their signals with just a few clicks. Once subscribed, users can sit back and let the platform automatically replicate the trades of their chosen signal provider in real time. This hands-off approach allows copiers to benefit from the expertise and strategies of seasoned traders without needing to actively monitor the markets themselves. Additionally, TradingCup offers transparent performance metrics for each signal provider, allowing copiers to assess their track record and make informed decisions when selecting providers to follow. With TradingCup's user-friendly interface and comprehensive support, becoming a copy trader offers an accessible and efficient way for traders to enhance their investment portfolios and achieve their financial objectives. Copy trading with TradingCup offers several benefits for signal copiers looking to enhance their trading experience. By following experienced signal providers on TradingCup, copiers gain access to proven trading strategies and insights from seasoned traders. This allows them to benefit from the expertise of others without needing extensive market knowledge themselves. Copy trading enables copiers to diversify their investment portfolios by following multiple signal providers who trade different financial instruments or employ varied strategies. This diversification can help spread risk and potentially increase returns over time. Copy trading saves copiers valuable time by automating the execution of trades based on signals generated by their chosen providers, which eliminates the need for constant monitoring of the markets and allows copiers to focus on other aspects of their lives or trading activities. Copy trading also serves as an educational tool for copiers, allowing them to observe how successful traders analyze the markets and execute trades. By studying the strategies of signal providers, copiers can improve their own trading skills and decision-making processes. Additionally, TradingCup provides copiers with the flexibility to adjust their copy trading settings, such as trade size and risk management parameters, to suit their individual preferences and risk tolerance. This level of control empowers copiers to tailor their copy trading experience to align with their financial goals and trading objectives. Overall, copy trading with TradingCup offers copiers a convenient, efficient, and potentially lucrative way to participate in the financial markets while leveraging the expertise of seasoned traders. Traders utilizing expert advisors demonstrate remarkable performance and often dominate the leaderboard on TradingCup. These automated trading systems are meticulously designed to execute trades based on predefined criteria and algorithms, allowing traders to capitalize on market opportunities with precision and efficiency. Expert advisors eliminate emotional biases and human errors from the trading process, enabling traders to constantly adhere to their trading strategies and exploit market movements effectively. This disciplined approach often results in impressive trading results and positions traders using expert advisors prominently on the leaderboard. By harnessing the power of technology and automation, traders employing expert advisors on TradingCup showcase the potential for algorithmic trading to achieve remarkable success in competitive trading environments. The TradingCup Money Manager ranking is a dynamic leaderboard that showcases the performance of skilled money managers participating in the TradingCup competition. This ranking system provides transparency and insight into the trading strategies and results of top money managers, allowing participants to assess their performance and track their progress throughout the competition. Money managers featured on the leaderboard demonstrate their expertise in managing investment portfolios and navigating the financial market to achieve favorable returns. The TradingCup Money Manager ranking serves as a valuable tool for traders seeking to identify and learn from successful money managers. Whether competing for top rankings or seeking inspiration for their own trading strategies, participants can rely on the TradingCup Money Manager ranking to gain valuable insights and to stay informed about the latest developments in the trading competition. Combining expert advisors with the ACY Pro Zero Trading Account offers traders a significant advantage through faster order flows and lower spreads. The ACY Securities Pro Zero Account provides ultra-fast execution speeds and competitive pricing, ideal for those utilizing expert advisors. This integration ensures that automated trading strategies are executed swiftly and efficiently, with minimal slippage. The low spreads further enhance trade profitability, optimizing trading performance and capitalizing on market opportunities with precision and confidence. This combination of expert advisors and the Pro Zero Trading Account creates a powerful formula for improving monthly performance of automated trading strategies, reducing latency, and increasing potential returns. TradingCup has undergone a remarkable transformation since its inception as a premier trading competition, where top traders from around the world showcase their skills in iconic venues such as Shanghai in 2018, Macau in 2019, and Sydney in 2020. Over time, based on valuable feedback from participants and the wider trading community, TradingCup has evolved into a platform offering prize pools ranging from $75,000 to $1 million. Now, the latest iteration of TradingCup introduces live copy trading, providing elite traders with the opportunity to showcase their trading prowess by providing signals while enabling everyday traders to replicate the trades of these elite traders. Also, TradingCup offers over 3,210 signals. Traders have access to a vast array of signals to copy at launch, with exceptional growth expected as the platform expands over time. Additionally, the platform boasts an impressive total of over $52,600,000 invested, demonstrating strong engagement in the platform. And with access to over 2,200 tradable instruments, ACY Securities provides a solid foundation for the TradingCup platform. Overall, TradingCup stands as a dynamic platform at the forefront of trading innovation and community engagement. Through its high-stakes competitions, transparent leaderboards, and diverse range of trading tools and resources, TradingCup empowers traders of all levels to sharpen their skills, compete with peers, and achieve their financial goals. They have established themselves as a leading force in the world of competitive trading. By creating a platform that seamlessly integrates high-stakes trading competitions, innovative tools, and a robust support team, TradingCup provides an unparalleled environment for traders to hone their skills and achieve excellence. The platform's commitment to transparency, evidenced by its real-time leaderboard and performance tracking, ensures that traders can continuously monitor and improve their strategies. TradingCup's collaborations with industry leaders such as ACY Securities further enhances its offerings by providing participants with access to advanced trading technology and resources. These partnerships underscore TradingCup's dedication to empowering traders with the tools and knowledge needed to succeed in today's fast-paced financial markets. The impact of TradingCup extends beyond individual achievement, fostering a vibrant community of traders who inspire and learn from each other. This spirit of camaraderie and competition drives innovation and elevates the standards of trading practices around the world. With attractive prizes and the opportunity for global recognition, TradingCup motivates traders to push their boundaries and strive for new heights in their trading careers. As TradingCup continues to evolve and expand its offerings, it remains a pivotal platform for anyone serious about mastering the art of trading. Its comprehensive approach to skill development, competitive excellence, and community engagement ensures that TradingCup will continue to be a cornerstone of the trading world, shaping the future of trading competitions and fostering the next generation of trading champions. And that is our overview of TradingCup. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.